I just ran it over though. The cheese grater strikes again. What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We're back here in the 350z HR right now, and as you saw from the title of today's video, we're doing a little challenge in the HR today. I haven't done many challenges, but I figured this would be kind of a fun one. We're only taking left turns today. That is it. I don't care where it leads us or what is happening. We will not be using this right turn signal whatsoever. So a few things we need to think about is I'm kind of low on gas right now. It's raining, so people are kind of crazy out on the road today. I got my Starbucks already, so I'm good. Tripod, camera if we need it. As you can see, we're low on gas right now, so we definitely need to make our way to a Shell. I only use Shell. I've only used Shell for the last, seriously, 10 years. That's just a thing. All right, so one of the exceptions I've made is if we enter a complex like this where we, you can go shopping or whatever, like a shopping center, right turns are allowed, but we'll do our best to stay with the left turns. Let's get in this lane here behind this M4. I love the M4 in that color. It's a really cool one. This thing is a blast. Man, the base model 350z, it's just way too easy to spin the tires on these things. There's usually a traction control button right here, and it's just two blank buttons, you guys. There's nothing going on. So we have no traction control, or I think they call it vehicle dynamic control. It's VDC. Then they have TCS as well, or maybe it's TSC. Okay, so the gas station that we're trying to get to, 23 miles till empty. We should be good, but we ran out of gas in this thing so many times. The gas gauge doesn't even read correctly. It might even have half a tank as we speak, so who knows? I don't like to test it though, so we're going straight to the gas station right now. It's actually the opposite direction. I tried to calculate this to where if we're taking only left turns, we should be fine. I wonder if there's a different Shell we can go to, unless this down here is a Shell. I don't actually know. We're gonna find out right now though. Man. I just was out filming a video in the Rev Up. So many people out there don't like driving, but I will tell you, there's something about when you have fun cars like this, I just back to back, over and over again, whatever. And I feel so blessed to be able to do that. I don't know if there's a Shell over here. I don't think there's any gas station over here, so. Oh gosh, wait, I have to think about this right now. Left turns only. We're pretty far from a Shell. See, that's the one I was gonna navigate to. Second left turn of the day. This is like NASCAR. We're making lefts, you guys. We're making lefts. Dang, that sound though. I wonder if there's a loophole though. I think I might use a loophole, you guys. Oh, I don't know. I might get screwed later though. This is so difficult. Okay, let's go left again. I was gonna, oh no, I'd have to go right. Oh no, I could go left into that shopping center, which means the rules wouldn't apply. I could turn around and go left again. No, I can't turn right here. I literally can't get into that shopping center even if I wanted to, so. I wish limo tint was legal, you guys. I know that's crazy to say because we're out here on the roads with limo tint, but I just feel like when I'm over here, I just feel like we're in a cave, Especially with this down, drop this one, cave mode. Little tiny sliver of windshield. I will say that's one thing why I love the 350z is the doors come up so high, this is over my shoulder really. So I feel like I'm hunkered down inside of this cocoon, honestly. And then when you put these down with the dark tint like this, it's just cave mode. All right, Shell gas station. Oh man, cops on cops over at the Bank of America, you guys. Ooh, at the auto zone. Oh man, they're surrounding the Bank of America. That's crazy. We'll make sure to stay far away from that. All right, we're inside of a shopping center. So you know what that means. We can make right turns, you guys. We can make right turns. But we're just trying to get to this Shell gas station over here so we can fill up and go back out to making more left turns. So, uno momento. So we got gas. I think I've thought of a loophole. So what we're gonna do here, I'm going straight through the light. Oh, ooh, scraped it a little bit. Making a left turn, but I'm making two left turns. Does that count? There's one left turn. Oh, making a second left turn. Boom. Left turns only today, folks. Let's go left. Made it. Rainy Z days. I cannot wait for this bridge to be finished. It's gonna be so awesome. That's gonna be really cool. Well, that came out of nowhere. It's dumping right now, which is always fun. Like, I don't know, there's something about driving the 350Z in the rain, which is just a blast. It's raining, so you know what we gotta do? We gotta try and slide this thing at least once. At least once. Coming around the corner. While we're cruising, let's crack open this Monster. A Monster Energy sponsorship would be the coolest thing ever. I've been drinking these since I was in 8th grade. I love them so much. Cheers, the fruit punch, or it's Pacific Punch, but it's basically fruit punch. If you've ever had the fruit punch Capri Sun, this is exactly what it tastes like. This is just slightly carbonated, which makes it that much better. Not sponsored, but I wish it was. Cheers. That is insane. Well, we can go straight, we can go left. Let's go left. Let's gas it, let's get some acceleration. I know we weren't even redlining it, but man. A little sticky. I've never actually gone left at that stop sign right there. I always go right and go over the freeway. So let's go this way. What's that, 4,000? Jeez, man, so good, so good. I'm calculating. I can't really make a right turn. Wait, there's loopholes, remember? Can we go left and make a U-turn there and then go, oh no, and then go down? What is this, Baxter? I'm gonna make a left here. I'm just gonna do a U-turn right here real quick. 2 lefts, you know? 2 lefts. All right, we're going this way. And we go right by going left, you know? Couldn't tell you where I'm going. Is that a direction? Is that a direction? That says pavement ends over there, so let's go this way. Oh no, I think we've done it. I think we're stuck. I can't turn right no matter what, and my house is right. So I need to figure out how to go left I need to go left to go right again. So I can't just turn right, so we'll only do a U-turn again and then go straight. I mean, at least it exits to the main road. Okay, so let's, oh, this is a non-stop, huh? Ooh, this is like dangerous, but we're good. Oh, that sound. Let's flip a U-turn right here because we can't turn right. We can do U-turns, we can do left turns, because technically U-turns are just 2 left turns. Look at this, ready? Left. Oh, let's go do it again. Left. There it is. 2 left turns. Okay, now we're gonna actually go left. On the road, left turns only. Do a little burnout, maybe, possibly. Oh man, let's go left here. So I cannot go right here, and I need to go right to get home. So calculating. I think I'm gonna go left because we have to. Yes, I'm gonna turn into this shopping center here. The goal here is to go left into here, be able to go wherever directions we need, and then try and go straight across this intersection. So, oh, listen, ready? Ooh. The echo off the walls sounds so good. What can we do? Okay, I have an idea. Oh man, the ground in here is like glossy. Do you see that? I feel like drifting in here would be so easy, but we're not going to. I don't know if you guys ever look down and notice like the road style, but like some asphalt is just terrible for your tires. Like it just rips it up so easily. But this looks like it's like been recently slurry sealed, which is always pretty good. So, all right, so we're back inside of a shopping center. Let's come through this way. That says right turn only, and that's not what we need right now. That's the opposite of what we need. So here we are. We're going straight. Ooh, I didn't really think this one through though. I still gotta go right though. Okay, so the next issue is, once we get up here, I gotta go right. Let me think. Okay, I think I know where to go. I think. I can only make left turns, and the freeway is right here. The only way to go really is right. I would love to be able to make a right turn right here, you guys. Honestly, like I would really love to be able to make a right turn, but we can't. Like we actually can't. So, and I can't make a left turn here. It goes nowhere. Sad day. I have to really think about this right now because we're passing the shopping center I probably should use. Okay, so I need to go right, but I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go straight across here. Then we're gonna turn left into the shopping center right by this Valvoline. Okay, left turn. I don't know what number, but I think I'm gonna flip it and I'm gonna go back across because I need to make more left turns, you guys. All the left turns in the universe. So we're gonna go straight across and then I'm making 2 left turns again to make another left turn. Here we go. Left turn, left turn. Oh, can we make the same green? Oh, we're gonna make the same green. That's 2 greens in 1. There it is. There it is. Now we go left here. It is getting dark, you guys. Or I don't know if it's getting dark. What time is it? I mean, it's not even 4. Oh, dang. Had the backfires? It's not even 4 o'clock yet, and it's already almost dark. It just blows my mind, honestly. I love winter for the holidays, but man, these short days, I just can't do the short days, you guys. All right, so we're gonna go this way now. And then, honestly, I gotta go that way, which is not happening again. So I need to figure out how to get into this straight lane. I think I'm gonna go left up at this next light and then see if I can make a U-turn and then go straight across and then we'll be good. That's the goal here, that's the goal. Making a left turn at this light, hoping to go that way, but we can't go that way, so. Oh yes, the dedicated U-turn lane. This lane was made for us right now. Left turn, left turn. Sheesh. All right, we're in business. We're in business. You know how I know it's getting dark? When people's taillights start getting brighter. Every single red light. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is, you know. Southern California. At least we're in the front. The worst part is being stuck at a red light and you're stuck behind like 8 cars. Like that's always the worst. Let's get a pull in here. Second gear. Make sure the car is straight. Wow. Sounds so just scary. Oh, it's starting to rain again. Oh dang, oh dang. Let's get one final pull in here against this Tesla, and then we have one final left turn to make into this housing tract up here, you guys. Let's get this final pull, just cause why not? Racing the Tesla, rear wheel drive, all wheel drive electric. I think it's gonna be all right. I think it's gonna be all right, but you never know. No, I have no traction. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Look at all this water. Our final left turn, and then we'll call it a quits. Oh, it's starting to come down though. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed today's video and you liked it. If you want to see more challenges, let me know in the comments. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I love doing challenges. I don't do enough of them. So if you want to see more, let me know in the comments down below. Oh, our first right turn, you guys. Thank you once again so much for tuning in.